Assalamualaikum, grade 5 students, chapter number 9, formatting and editing in MS Word 2010. And today our topic is how to apply page border. First, students define the definition page border. Page border command is used to insert lines or borders around the text in a page like this. And you can apply different types of border in your slide. To apply page border, follow the given steps. First step is click the page layout tab on the ribbon. After click this button, click page border from page background group. When you click page borders button, this border and shading group appears or page appears on your slide or computer screen. Select the border style, color, width, etc. which you want to change. After selecting your border style, you can preview your slide. After this, click OK button. These are the MCQs or objective questions related to our previous lecture. First one is Format Painter command is present in dash group clipboard. Second, to highlight text, how many colors may we choose from? Second option, unlimited numbers. And third one is in how many different ways we can align text in MS Word 2010. 3. And next topic is how to insert header and footer. Header and footer are used to insert page number, date, time, title, etc. in document. These are present in the top and bottom margin of each page. To insert header, follow the given steps. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon, this button. When you click this button, this page or ribbon appears on your screen. Click Header to change heading and click Footer to change the footer. When we click Header, a list of options appears. Choose the style of your choice. After selection, your header appears according to your selection. Now type the text you want to add at the top of each page. Like this. After editing the header. How to insert footer, follow the given steps. First one is click the Insert tab on the ribbon like this. When you click this button, this ribbon appears. Click Footer. From group, a list of options appears. Choose the style of your choice. Footer appears on the page. Footer appears at the bottom of the page and type the text. After typing text, your document or presentation appears in this way. This is known as header. This is known as footer. And header is present at the top of the presentation, and footer is appear at the bottom of your presentation.